While learning any programming language, it is important to understand different operators supported by that particular programming language. The operators may be arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. Okay. This is available in all programming languages. Okay. So the syntax may be slightly different. Okay. We'll see what are the arithmetic operators supported in Python. We use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and slash for division, double slash for integer division. That means without it won't provide the decimal point. Okay. Percentage for modulus, star for exponent. Okay. So these are the arithmetic operators available in Python. Okay. The next operator is relational or comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operator is used for comparing two variables. For example, we have two variables a and b. We want to check whether a and b, a is greater than b or b is greater than a, or whatever it is. Okay. So in order to compare two things, okay, we have to use relational operator. Is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. Okay. The relational operator result will be always true or false. Okay. Logical operator. What is the need of logical operator? Logical operator used to combine multiple relational statements. For example, if you want to compare, or if you want to join multiple relational statement, we'll have to use logical operator. Okay. So if you want to check a greater than b and b greater than c, we want to do something. Okay. So such cases we'll have to join multiple relation or comparison statement. We'll have to use logical operator. Logical and logical or. Logical and means both left and right operator should be true, then only it will result in true. Okay. Logical or means either left side or right side of this particular or operator, either of this is true, the output will be true. Okay. In the case of AND, both left and right of this particular AND, we have to have a true, then only the output will be true. Okay. Not is to negate the value. If we have a true, it will negate that to false. If we have a false, it will negate to true. Okay. So this is logical operator. Okay. And bitwise operators are used for bitwise manipulation. So in computer, everything is stored, every value is stored in binary format. Okay. So binary format means it's 1 or zeros, right? So that is bits. Okay. So those bits, if you want to manipulate, okay, we can use bitwise and bitwise or bitwise not, bitwise not, bitwise XOR. Okay. Bitwise shifting, bitwise left shifting, this is bitwise right shifting. Okay. So if you want to manipulate the internal bits, we can use bitwise operator. Okay. Then assignment operator. Assignment operator is for assigning value to a variable. So this is a shorthand form of the assignment operator, like plus equal to, minus equal to, that means this operator, and equal to, that means we can do something like consider that a equal to 10, a equal to a plus 10. Instead of that, this is Instead of that, we can do something like a equal to a plus equal to 10, that is equal to, both are, this statement and this statement are equal. So we can use a equal to a plus 10 or a plus equal to 10, both are equal. Okay, so that is what this assignment operator this is. And here we have arithmetic operators and here bitwise operator, right? So this is the shorthand form of those assignment operators. Okay, so either we can do expanded form like this, or we can use plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, what operator you want to do here. Okay, so these are the operator available in Python, similar to other programming languages like C, C++ and Java. Apart from these operators, Python has membership operator and identity operator. Membership operator is used to check a particular string is present in another string, or if you want to check a particular value is present in a list, if a particular key is present in a dictionary, we can use this membership operator. Identity operator is used to check if two variables are pointing to the same object in memory or not. That is the use of this is and is not keyword. Okay, these are the operators available in Python using which we write our logic. I hope you got some idea. Thanks for watching this.